Hi everyone, this is Marjorie. Welcome to my channel. If you're new here, would you do me a favor and subscribe and ring the little bell, and then you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And if you're thinking I'm looking a little strange, because a little lopsided, let me get up close so you can see my eyes. This is my Christmas look, and this is my no makeup look. I'm going to show you how I did this. You can see it's so much better with makeup. I am doing a little collaboration with my wonderful friend Bella from Beauty on a Budget. You have to pop over to Bella's channel. She's amazing. She is exactly like what she's named for, Bella. She's beautiful. She's sweet and kind and just so fun to watch. And she's also helpful. My channel is geared towards mature women, and Bella is always talking about the products that she gets that are a really reasonable price, and I appreciate that. She uses cosmetics that are affordable. So I'm going to get right into it because like I said, I've already done this eye and I've done my base makeup. Kind of, because I just wanted to save some time. I don't want this to just go on forever. I kind of am trying to keep my videos a little shorter. So let me show you now what I've got on my face. Everybody asks. I just have Your Skin But Better CC Cream. The color is fair, and under that I have just some oil, basic face oil, because I'm, dry. On my, that's shiny. You can see everything. You can see the reflection of my kitchen cabinets. Okay, I don't know how to make that not work. It's and it's Je ne sais quoi. It's the color. And I love this color. As you can see, I have just about run out of this color, and I've already got the replacement because that's my very favorite. Okay. So let's get right on to the eye here. I will show you what I'm doing. The first thing I'm doing is, I have to look in my mirror over here. So I will try to do it, and I may go back and forth. I tried to set this up a little bit better, but this was just the way that it went. So here we go. Oops, a little too much there. I kind of do my top liner first, like that. Let me get forward. This is 24/7 eye pencil, my favorite. Then I go under and I use this little, let me do it over here so I can get it straight. Hold on, let me try to get my mirror so you can see what I'm doing. This is a pencil, I'll show you in a second. It's actually an eyeliner pencil that has glitter. Came in my last BoxyCharm, and I normally don't go for so much under eye, and I'm not going to use this in my waterline because I don't want glitter in my waterline. But this is called Jaunty Blue, and it's the black color, and it's glittering liner. See the glitter? Jaunty Blue. Okay, never heard of it before, but thought I'd try it since I had it. The next thing going on, I'm combining a lot of less expensive with a little more expensive. My Old Faithful Walking on Eggshells. And I am taking a real fluffy brush, because this is kind of a quick holiday look for me. My shirt has some gold plaid stripes in it, and I'm not wearing my gold hoops. I'm just wearing some cubic zirconia studs. Okay, so I'm going to use this color here, which is the champagne color, and I'm going to kind of just go all over my eyelid from the, all the way up, and it's going to look a little gaudy at first, but hang in there. Okay, it's a little shiny. I think I'll give it a little bit more because this is a nighttime look, and that's why I'm filming at night. Okay, so then I am taking this adorable palette. It's Pure Midnight Masquerade Face Palette. The colors are gorgeous in there. You can see all of those pretty colors. but the only one I'm going to use for this look is this gold glitter, and it's a dark gold glitter. So what I'm doing with that is kind of replacing, I would normally use a dark brown in my crease and on my lid. And so I'm just kind of going over and over because I'm going for the glitter. I know lots of old people feel, mature women feel like they can't do the glitter. Well, and I kind of agree. I would not ever wear all of this in the daytime. That's why I'm filming at night. Okay, so far we've got the champagne, which is a frosted in the Wet n Wild, and then we've got the gold glitter, and I just use this little gold glitter brush. Everything's kind of coming together here. Now I'm going to go back over that and kind of blend it, kind of get the extra. I don't want that much. And I'm going to take my it's actually a Makeup Forever kabuki, and I'm just going to kind of do that before I put on my, because I'm trying to tone it down just a little. That's what I did on the other side. So that's all that. And the next thing I'm going to do, the very last thing on my eyes, this is Superhero It. And I bend my brush. I learned this from Patty Rockstar Mom. I bend all my mascara brushes because that makes it easier to apply without having, without bumping into things like my nose or my ears or my fingers. So there we go. And I think I'll give this side another little coat. Let's see what we got happening here. So that's quite a bit of eye makeup for me. I should have put some Lumified drops in my eyes before I started because I'm looking a little, what do you call it? Bloodshot. Okay, now I have another fun thing that I'm going to do to really shine, have a little bit of glitter and fun. And I know this probably is settling in the creases of my eyes, but everybody that I know knows how old I am. And, those are like battle scars. That just shows that I've lived a really great life and smiled a lot. And so I'm good with that. I don't care about wrinkles. I do everything I can to keep them from increasing. But I wear them like a badge. I'm proud of them. Okay, this also came in BoxyCharm. This is called Glitter Drops Cover FX. I wasn't even sure what to do with this. It's so rich. It's like in a little dropper. And I played with it for a while and I went, oh my goodness, this is so fun. So I've got a little drop right there. And I'm going to just kind of rub it over my, don't get alarmed. I'm also going to do one more thing to finish up with this. This really puts the glitz on. It's so funny because I am, like I mentioned, doing a collab with Beautiful Bella, and she's doing one where she doesn't have, it's more of a simple holiday look. And I thought, well, I'm going to go with the, okay, I'm going to kind of blot that with just a tissue. And then I'm taking, last but not least, my good old Laura Mercier with the little shaker top, and I'm going to use my kabuki. Let's see, what is this one? Translucent. Love Laura Mercier. So I'm going to take a little dab of that, kind of go over everything, because we just don't want to be too glitzy. But we do want some holiday sparkle. So we'll tone that down just a little. Let me get up close in my mirror and see. I like it. I think it's kind of pretty and fun. So the last thing, you're probably wondering, what's on my lips? This is L'Oreal 910, I think it's Sparkling Peach. If you can read that better than me, I'm trying to hold it still. So this is just a really pretty neutral color. And I like to go with a lighter lip. I think this is what Bella said she does as well in her video. And then I'm taking Buxom White Russian, and I'm going to do a little, this is like a, it poofs up, what is it? Plumps up your lips, poofs up your lips. Okay, so I'm gonna say that's it. This is my holiday sparkle look, and thank you so much for joining me, and make sure you check out Bella's video, because I'm gonna be watching. She's doing, I think, 5 with different women collabing, and I'm so appreciative to her. She is a sweetheart. My channel is Keto and Coffee with Marjorie. Bella is not on the ketogenic diet. Many of my subscribers are not. They just kind of pop over for updates on what's going on in my life, and I do have tips that help to keep the carbs down low, even if you're not keto. So please take a moment, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, ring the little bell, and pop over to Bella's. Leave a comment below for me. Thank you so much. I appreciate it. Happy holidays.